brought 90 in to help us solve a number of problems. So that was how to develop products quickly, it was how to explore a clear route to market, and the way to do that is how to really effectively engage with our customers.
Talbot have an internal innovation capability called Index, and we were able to work with that team to help introduce some new tools, some techniques, and some wider training both for Index and the wider business on innovation.
What we did here was help to understand some of the key problems that their customers were facing, and then we took that through the first 2 stages of 90's 1, 2, 3 methodology and created a prototype that they could test with their customers.
So we actually were kind of headed in a direction, and once we started talking to our customers, we changed direction. And the propositions that we were looking at were making sure that our product was really clear for our customers, the process that we went through was really, really transparent, and then there was a really good efficiency to support that, so that there was an ease of dealing with Talbot. Because we deal face to face with people the whole time, I think there's an assumption that the relationship is strong and the understanding of the customer's needs are well understood. Actually, kind of stepping back from that was something that hadn't happened. We thought we might be imposing on their time, we thought this might be a distraction from their day jobs. They were really excited to talk about how we can make life better for them.
We had feedback from the brokers who said that Talbot were the only Lloyd's market underwriter who'd actually engaged with them to ask them what they want in this format.
We worked really closely with the Talbot team during the project and really co-created the proposition as we went along. We were running specific workshops around areas of Lab in a Box which we thought would really help push their function to the next level.
Bringing them into our team, bringing them into the company, they sort of fitted right in. Whenever we articulated a problem, they immediately could draw on examples from previous engagements, previous work, where they could say, we've got a solution for this, or here's how you could think about this, or here's a framework that we use.
One of the things that Talbot really wanted us to do was push that innovation culture to the wider organisation. We managed to interact with over 70% of their staff during that time period.
We worked with them to carry out an innovation maturity audit to help move their innovation journey on.
We actually did some active workshops with people all over the business. So in that sense, 90 were very actively promoting innovation across the business. That's kind of set a bit of a standard, a bit of a benchmark that we'll try and aspire to as we do things in the future, hopefully with 90, but equally when they're gone.
We're now moving into a 90 stage 3, so we're ready to take this product to a market pilot with more of their customers.
Having had a really successful stage 1 and stage 2, it was very easy to convince people that we should progress to stage 3, and people were really happy to have 90 back in, and people sort of appreciated what they brought to the equation for us.